If you want to know how to cook an amazing meal that will put a smile on everyone's face, this is the perfect recipe for you.
Hey, what is up guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we are making creamy salmon pasta. This dish is absolutely delicious, so let's get straight to it.
The prep work for this dish is very simple. Start chopping up a medium-sized onion and about 2 to 3 cloves of garlic very finely. Next, take your salmon and remove the skin. To do this, make a small incision on one side of the salmon fillet, right where the flesh and skin connect, and then pull the skin upwards so you can slowly cut along with your knife. Just let the knife do the work. Next, I like to remove all these brown bits of flesh because I just don't think they are very appetizing, but if it doesn't bother you, you can just leave them on. Now set the fish skin aside for later and cut the salmon into nice medium-sized chunks. Just make sure not to make them too small because otherwise they will completely disintegrate in the sauce. If you want, you can also add some baby spinach to the dish as it adds some nice extra flavor. Now that all the prep work is done, we can head over to the stove. Now first things first, let's start with the pasta. In a medium-sized pot, bring some water to the boil and salt it generously. Once it's boiling, add your pasta and let it cook until it's about a minute away from being al dente. Pappardelle or lasagnette, or some pasta shapes similar to this, are perfect. By the way, I have no idea if it's pronounced that way. If you're Italian, feel free to let me know. Next, place a large stainless steel or non-stick pan over medium-high heat and add some extra virgin olive oil and a knob of butter. Once the butter is sizzling, add your finely diced onion. Fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes and then add your garlic and salmon to the pan. Continue to fry this for a couple more minutes. As you can see, the pasta was already close to al dente, so I quickly saved some pasta water and strained the noodles. The salmon, onions and garlic have browned nicely, so I decided to add some salt, pepper and a pinch of thyme before deglazing the pan with a tiny bit of lemon juice and some white wine. Let the alcohol evaporate for a minute and then add your heavy cream and your baby spinach. While the cream is coming to a boil, add the fish skin you saved earlier to another pan over high heat, salt it a little bit and fry it in some olive oil. The crispy fish skin will be an amazing garnish and give a nice crunchy texture to the dish. Now turn down the heat to low, grate a good amount of Parmesan cheese over your sauce and add your noodles to the pan. Now stir everything around with some kitchen tongs and adjust the texture with the pasta water we saved earlier. Don't forget to occasionally flip the fish skin in the other pan so it doesn't burn. Once you're happy with the consistency, adjust the seasoning one last time if necessary and your dish is ready to be plated. Right before serving, grate some more Parmesan cheese over your dish and add the crispy fish skin on top. And this, my friends, is how easy it is to make an absolutely incredible creamy salmon pasta.
So as always, a quick taste test at the end, guys. I'm looking forward to this. These little crispy bits, they're just so amazing. The creaminess and the fattiness of the salmon, they go really well with the acidity of the lemon and the wine, paired with these beautiful noodles and some spinach. It's a perfectly well-rounded dish. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, please leave a like, comment down below and consider subscribing if you want to see more cooking related videos. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.